Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can rearrange your home screen in iPhone 15 Plus. So if you want to open the widget settings, just hold the finger on the empty place on your screen and click on the plus. As you can see, now you have all of the widgets from the applications, so just pick the app that you want to add the widget, like a Google Chrome, and select the widget for you, like a Chrome Dino for example. Now click on the add widget and select the place on your home screen for it. Done. That's it. We have a Dino. Okay, if you want to remove that, of course, hold the finger on it and choose remove widget. That's it. If you want to make any folder, just hold any app and drop onto another. We have a new folder now, we can tap on it. And if you want to change the name of it, hold the finger and select rename. Now you can change the name. If you want to remove that folder, hold the finger on it, and we have to tap on it done, and now just hold the finger on the folder and just remove. And that's it. Thanks for watching, it was a like, a comment, and goodbye.